Hello, this is July 11th trade idea and some technical analysis for Euro USD. And half the world is talking about parity and the fact that Euro is expected in the near future to be less than $1. And here we provide this basic channel. There's a touch point here, another one here with a tiny overshoot, a third one touch point on the upper band, and then we've got one here, very precise, and we extend that line and we get to this spot. We don't know exactly if or mainly when price will go and meet this lower band for another touch point. So we have to look at the area and we have additional lines. Here the um, orange one is for the parity where €1 is worth 1 USD. Second one I just talked about in the touch of the lower band, which is a speculative touch, of course, because it hasn't happened yet. We've got this gray one at 0.9917, which goes back to history where Euro USD did go below parity. And basically, we take the volume profile of that consolidation area. It's not seen on this chart, but that's how I got to it. And the lower line is for the price of 0.985, which, according to Bloomberg, the option market is setting that price as a candidate for the bottom. And I will include the link to that Bloomberg um, article, which you can further read. Now, the principle of the trade idea is to set three buy orders. First one at the touch point of the lower band, that's 0.9957, about, it's an approximate. Second one is 9917, and the third one 985. And if all those buy orders get filled, then the average entry price would be 99.08. Uh, Now, buy-in holders can consider those buy orders and just hang on to the long, and the traders can also think of a few uh, trade ideas around that. So let's take an example. We'll take our long position and we'll set it. The entry will be 9908, and we'll soon see where we're doing our stops and take profits. We can set the stop about 1%. Let's do it a little bit more than 1%. So we're under the 0.98 area. And to take profit, we are going to be a little bit ambitious, and we're going to try to fill this gap over here or close to it. So we're going to go just under it. Okay. Let's take our stop a little bit lower. So we get to a 3.7 long. Okay. Again, the entry would be the average entry conditional to those three buyers getting filled at 9908. Our profit would be 1.03287, and our stop would be at point 97943. All these numbers will appear in the post containing this video for your further reference. This is a reward versus risk of 3.7. So this is a nice trade idea for you to consider. It's got a good reward versus risk. There is a chance that price will create a lot of media buzz after 1 euro goes below $1, and there is also a chance of it jumping back for whatever reason. So you're risking another 1.15% on the downside where your stop should be set, and you're aiming for a 4.25% upside. You can also take partial profit there if it gets there and hang on longer term for the ride. That's up to you. Trade the Euro USD or any other Forex currency at your own risk. Come back to Forex Live for some creative angles and ideas. And thank you. Have a good week.